Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to change background with Photoshop Beta. So for this one you are going to be heading over to your Creative Cloud like I've done here, and you're going to be heading over to all apps, and there you have beta apps. So on the left side you can see we have beta apps option. Make sure you install Photoshop Beta, click onto this install button, and once you do that you will be onto your Photoshop. Let's just say this is the one, and now you are going to be selecting this option to select subject, and just wait for a couple of seconds. Our subject is created, and you're going to be inverting your selection using this second option just like that. And now what you need to do is simply enter in here a prompt. Let's just say a busy beach, sunny beach, and click on generate. And now our background is going to be changed. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it is going to be doing its magic, and once it is going to be completed you are going to be having your background change. So you can see we are going to be clicking on here. We have our results. If you do not like the results, you can click on this little arrow until you can set it to something that looks good. So yeah, I think the first one looks pretty decent, or you can generate that again. So yeah, that's how you can change the background using AI in Photoshop, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If it does, you can consider subscribing. And yeah, so that's how you can change background with Photoshop AI Beta.